Welcome back to the channel where we show you how to turn simple ideas into serious YouTube success. Imagine earning up to $500,000 a month without even showing your face. Sounds unreal? You heard that right. According to Social Blade, this faceless channel is pulling in between $33,000 to $500,000 just by posting simple, engaging videos about cats. And guess what? The competition is surprisingly low, so this niche is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. Well, today, we're going to dive into a real-world example of a YouTube channel that does exactly that. Making viral videos about cats. Yep, just cat stories. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your own viral, monetizable YouTube videos in this niche using free tools and zero experience. Whether you're looking to start your own channel or grow one that already exists, stick around because we're going to break it all down step by step. Ready to get started? Let's jump in.
Looking to take your YouTube channel to the next level? I'm your go-to video editor on Fiverr. From eye-catching edits to seamless transitions, I'll transform your raw footage into a YouTube-ready masterpiece. Whether it's for cash cow channels or personal vlogs, I've got you covered. Let's turn your content into a viral success and start making real money on YouTube. Head over to my Fiverr gig and let's get started today, where success is just one edit away. Check out the link below, and let's make your videos go viral.
Step 1. The secret behind the success of a viral cat channel. Let's talk numbers for a second. This cat channel is pulling in millions of views each month. The concept is unbelievably simple. Short, engaging videos with cat stories narrated or presented in an interesting way. But here's where things get clever. They're using AI tools to automate and enhance their content production, so they can push out video after video, keeping their audience hooked and engaged. This channel's success isn't just about luck. It's about understanding what works. Cats are universally loved, and when you pair that with a unique storytelling angle and eye-catching visuals, you've got content that people will watch, share, and keep coming back for. But here's the kicker. The competition in this niche is still incredibly low, which means that right now is the perfect time for you to jump in and create your own viral, faceless channel. Now, I know what you're thinking. How can I do that without a budget? That's where the magic of free AI tools comes in. In just a few minutes, I'll show you how to generate high-quality videos, add sound, and edit them without spending a dime. Step 2. Finding the perfect cat images. Now, before you even start recording, you need eye-catching visuals. But don't worry, you don't need a camera or professional skills. We're using Lexica.art, an AI-powered platform that generates amazing images in seconds. Head to Lexica.art. Once you're there, just type in a keyword like fashionable cat or funny cat and let the AI do its thing. Browse and download. Lexica will create hundreds of unique creative images of cats in different poses. Pick your favorites and download as many as you need. These images are super important because they'll help keep your audience engaged, especially since this is a faceless channel. Step 3. Adding realistic cat sounds. Let's talk audio. Sound is a game changer when it comes to engagement, and adding the right cat sounds can take your video to the next level. The best part, you don't have to create these sounds yourself. Pixabay is the place to go for free audio. Go to Pixabay.com. In the search bar, type cat sounds and you'll find a huge library of meows, purrs, and even playful growls. Pick and download. Listen to a few and choose the ones that best fit your video's tone. Maybe you need a cute meow for a funny scene or a soothing purr for a chill vibe. These sounds make your videos more dynamic and fun to watch, which keeps viewers hooked and helps you rank higher in YouTube's algorithm. Step 4. Editing like a pro with CapCut. Now that we've got our visuals and sounds, let's put it all together in CapCut, a free video editor that's incredibly easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, CapCut makes the process super simple. Start a new project. Open CapCut. Create a new project and import your images and cat sounds. Trim clips for pacing. Shorten each image clip to 2 to 3 seconds for a snappier video flow. Add animations. Enhance each image with animations to keep the video dynamic and smooth. Sync audio with visuals. Match cat sounds with corresponding images, like a yawn with a yawning cat, for a polished touch. Step 5. Title, tags, and thumbnails, the key to ranking. Great! Your video is almost ready for the world to see, but before we upload it, we need to talk about SEO. This is what helps your video rank and go viral. Craft a killer title. Think about what makes people click. Something like, "You won't believe this cat's reaction," is way more clickable than "funny cat video." Create a catchy thumbnail. Use Canva, another free tool, to design a bold, colorful thumbnail that stands out in a sea of other videos. Use big fonts and one of your best cat images to really catch people's attention. Add strategic tags. These tags help your video show up in search results and recommended feeds. Step 6. Boost visibility, uploading and optimizing. You've got your video ready, and now it's time to upload. But there's a little trick to give your video the best chance to get noticed by the algorithm. Set to unlisted. Once you upload, set the video as unlisted for the first hour or two. This gives YouTube time to process it and rank it properly before it goes public. Choose the right time to go public. Try to publish during peak YouTube traffic times, like late afternoon or early evening, to maximize exposure. Optimize the description. Use keywords in the first few lines of your description, and encourage people to watch the entire video and leave a comment. This boosts your watch time and interaction, two factors that YouTube loves. Step 7. Consistency and staying ahead of trends. Here's a pro tip. Consistency is key. One viral video is awesome, but to really build a sustainable income, you need to keep posting regularly. Aim for one high-quality video per week, and be sure to stay on top of trends. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating viral, monetizable YouTube videos without ever showing your face. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips and tricks for YouTube success. Conclusion: thanks for watching, and as always, drop any questions or ideas you have in the comments below. I'm always here to help you on your YouTube journey.